made by Gael and Senator. One girl chief picking for Ebolova.
One girl chief picking for Ebolova. Mais tu as collé ça. Na tout information that is one girl. No, I say if you talk say no. Number one information now. So get chief picking for Ebolova. You talk say one get chief picking for Ebolova.
Number one information. Girl chief picking for Ebolova.
Voila, you are talking now. Grandma don't come off my mouth. You see me for that side for Lewa. What it happen? Naturally it happen. It happen say what is some girl. They talk say they get Bele one born because a boyfriend they tell you say I want born with you. Bele no the internet. What it happen? The girl don't try for tell me Biok enter. Try. Biok no the green enter. It try Biok no the enter. The girl now talk say okay. I will know what you do. Now you go to Anjaka. You go to Anjaka now. Tell me bring Anjaka for the Antang now. That boy tell look am say I'm not sure say Anjaka na Anjaka. I'm not sure. Now that boy says now. He call Mbere Kaki them now they enter a corner. Now so they masked that girl before they did not say that pikin is so na pikin way they get a big kick up.
Number 2 information. Aminatu Aijo Kosh Isa Chiroma.
Aminatu Aijo na pikin for former president for Cameroon. Amadou Aijo Babatura. We don't Kwara. They don't bury for that side for Senegal. Isa Chiroma Bakari, he talk say he be one go see play with the berry Amadou Aijo for knee down and then respect see for that side. Isa Chiroma na former minister for Cameroon. We don't resign. He want go be president now. He go for presidential election. Now for airport, they move you like fly for Isa playing a Pekin. What I come up for ya? Sortez d'ici, tu ne peux pas voyager dans le Cameroun ici, tu ne peux pas voyager, tu veux rester ici. Na so they talk France il faut y, na so Icha Chiroma, he come back, he vekes, he make all kind sortie, all kind commode, all kind talk, all kind communicate. Minister, I no be minister, I be former minister. No former minister, no they ask authorization for come out for country. They no supposed to tell me say my ask authorization. Patati patatra. Madu Aijo Pekin, Aminatu. I join na picking for CPDM. Them say the support pobia. Una know what happen with the pobia and papa. They picking the support pobia. I mean to talk say Isa Chiroma na skeri. How they call him? Na 419 for French. They call us say skeri politician. Na so Aminatu Aijo talk am where we concern Isa Chiroma Bakari.
Opposition go for Fumban.
Yes, so Fumban, una remember no? Fumban, na that legendary town where reunification time, Ijo, Foncha, Indele, then they go for there for go make reunification. But the kind of fakeness will be passed on that place. They talk as an Anglophone, una know what I mean. Yes, over fake thing they be passed on Fumban. That's the reason that way we didn't also with the Zing so take a reach today. Countryman, countrywoman, for assign only popcorn, morning, afternoon, evening, popcorn. Now, opposition leader them, they go, or some opposition leader them. Akere Muna, Serge Matomba, Kumvondo, Damjoya, a woman, Prince Ekoso, who I know you meet up for Babenda. All that people, then they meet up for Fumba and they say they want to find one person who go represent them for go like candidate for presidential election where it day for October, the 12th of October. So now so the matter day, countrywoman, we'll wait for Siam, how it go happen. And then these people then after they finish for Fumban, they pass through, they go meet up that King Sokoju. Sokoju tell them say it be very important, say me them find person way it will be a unique candidate for their grouping. So we'll wait time for see how it go pass.
For Burkina Faso, Samuel Eto'o meet up Alexandre Song.
Yes, Alexander Song meet up Samuel Eto'o meet up Alexander Song. Anyhow, when I look up, now so the thing happen. We'll see small video where Alexander Song the happy. Say the grand so massa. I don't talk bad about the grand friend so they go reach to some place. They don't reach to some place. But the grand friend, anytime we meet up, he just smile and smile. He surround me. You know, they get no grudge. Now so the thing happen. For that side for Burkina Faso, where Alexon they meet up with Samuel Eto'o face. They do small picture, they do video. Eto'o touch she head, peripheral, you dey fine. How the thing dey waka? Na so it happen for that side, for country, for Ibrahim Traore.
For football, Ivochi cut book for Mark Brice.
It's a long book. It's a lawyer for Mark Brice, or na layman, or na Mark Brice be layman, or minister, the other one them, they manipulate opinion. It's say me they publish the convocation where they don't give for the person way na he write that book send am for Eto'o. Because no be ye. I don't talk say no be ye, people they believe. And the lawyer for Mark Brice don't go talk say na some FIFA football agent. He be football agent, no be he write am, he call lawyer no the pick phone. He picking the way they walk around, he they call lawyer no the pick phone. He don't talk say if a lawyer no talk the thing today so he go vex, he too go court book for Koni spoiling of name. They call am say Koni defamation. Na so they call am for baby grammar.
Voilà, c'est donc tout pour